So in this video, you'll learn how to turn the screen lock sounds on or off on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to ensure that your device is not in vibrate or mute. Then once you've done that, you can now start customizing these settings. So open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select sounds and vibration. From here, look for system sound and select it. And then you have the option screen lock / unlock with a toggle next to it. So currently this toggle is enabled, which is why whenever I'm locking my phone or unlocking it, you can hear a sound coming. So lock, unlock, you can hear that sound. So if you want to disable that sound, you can just tap on the toggle like that. And now, no matter how many times you lock or unlock, you can no longer hear the sound coming from your phone. So it's completely up to you to decide if you want this feature turned on or turned off. You can go a step further by increasing or decreasing the system sound volume. So if you want the unlock sound to be there but not so loud, you can just use this slider and decrease it. If you want it louder, you can use the slider to increase it to your liking. So it's completely up to you to decide how you want to customize this on your A36. Alternatively, if you don't want any system sounds enabled, which includes the screen lock and unlock, then you can always just put your phone either in vibrate or in mute, and that will disable any system sounds, including the screen lock / unlock. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use when it comes to customizing this feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.